I'm Vanessa Joy, and welcome to my home office. So I'm a wedding photographer in the New York, New Jersey area, meaning during the week, I'm pretty much here in my office. I wanted to show you one of my biggest time savers, because working from home does not necessarily mean you have all this extra time. In fact, you have to find ways to condense it, to make it a little bit more efficient. So here's the biggest thing I've done, and this may sound stupid. I do a lot of shipping in and out, client gifts and marketing materials, things like that. The biggest thing that I have found that saves me time is not having to go to the post office. Not only is everyone under the sun in the post office for about an hour in line, but it just takes up too much time. So I do all of my shipping at home. And there's really only 3 things that you need to get this done: a printer, a scale, and stamps.com or some other similar service. This is the Canon Pixma. It's the TS9521C. And then I've got my scale over here, my Dymo scale. My scale is up to 25 pounds. You can get them less. The less of a pound maximum that the scale has, the less expensive it'll be. But I need up to 25 pounds because I'm shipping albums sometimes. So that was good for me. And then of course I go to stamps.com. So I need to send a client gift to someone. So let me grab that as I sign into stamps.com. You want to come in? Yay! You want to go watch Elmo? Working at home is great, except for all these cute distractions. Can I go back to work now? Bye. Judah, bye. Bye. Okay, back to work. I have these cute little bags that I send to my clients about a month or so before their wedding. Has my info on it. Anyway, the nice thing is it's also light, so I can put that in just one of my regular envelopes, kind of squish it in, and I squish it in with a handwritten note. From my client management system. And then I just need to weigh this. It's 9.8 ounces. So I'm just gonna come over and put that into. All right, so now I just need to put it into my printer. I do use labels, and sometimes my kids draw on the back of my labels. And print. After this, I just go to USPS and schedule a pickup for the next morning, and that's it. You can find these things featured on Adorama right now. I got them shipped to me really quickly. If you're part of the Adorama VIP program, then you get free 2-day shipping as well. Let's go to USPS.com, quick tools, schedule a pickup. So working at home does have its benefits. You get things done really fast, and you can stay germ-free. This is Vanessa Joy here with Adorama in my home office.